finish up their latest project, the Scoop Vehicle. This state-of-the-art transport will put you, our newest reporters, right in the middle of the action. We'll for sure get the best shots in the business. Ha! We'll be rich! Of course, your names will be on the paper. I wouldn't let such heroic actions go unnoticed. My team set up a loading platform out back, so get back there pronto. Oh, and don't forget to pick up your... Hello, Roger, over. Is this thing on? Listen, crime reports are coming in from all over the city, and I'm starting to get worried. Do you see that? It's a signal. That means trouble can't be far away. And you know what trouble means. Headlines, national coverage. So don't screw this up. Good luck.
Man, you shouldn't be out here. With Doc on the loose, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
Was that the Spider Kid? That no good, wearing red freak?
Everything's going just as planned.
Excellent. And with my anti-gravity cannon, even that spider freak won't be able to stop me.
You mean stop us?
Yes, of course.
Hey, what's going on?
What was that? Intruders! If you think you're getting out of here, then you're in for a shock!
Back off! They're mine!
You missed! Blast them again!
Again?
So much for being careful. Just get back to the office and... Uh-oh. Incoming!
Now, things are just starting to heat up!
Trick or treats, now my feet, time to throw you off the streets.
Look out!
There you are!
No, you don't!
Not my beautiful Scoop!
Wow, that was close! Whoa! Doc, your aim's worse than your haircut. Oh!
Well, it's good enough for your sitting duck friends. Have a nice trip!
Hey, wait for me! You're not insured for this! Hang on, I'm webbing you down from here. guess that wraps things up. You guys did alright, but don't give up on your day job. Say cheese! See you later.
Congratulations! You're heroes! I knew it all the time.